Hey folks, so I know yesterday's video was rather long, and this one will be much shorter. And I'm only going to give you a couple problems to do for today's work. But here's a cylinder. Maybe it's one of those Charles Chips cans, and I think I'm showing my age. Ask your parents if they ever had a Charlie Chip potato chip can. But anyway, we're doing surface area, and you can see this top and bottom. Well, guess what? That is a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom, so that's why we have a 2 in front of our circle formula, pi r squared. Okay, so that gives us the top and bottom, but now we have to do this outside edge here. Well, if I would cut it down the middle and open it up, this whole side right here, that's your circumference. This rounded part, because I'm going to take this vertical piece, and when you open it up, it's going to look like that. The long side. And this is our height, and so is this. This is our height. And this top, I'll change colors for you. This top, when you open it up, it becomes a straight line. So there you go, folks. We have our height times the circumference, 2 pi r. Okay, well, I have a problem we can try. And again, I'm only going to give you 2 problems for today's homework because it's a lot of work. Here's my radius of 1. And I'm going to put a 1 right here. There it is. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 pi is 2 pi. Great. Now we have the rectangle part of our formula. My height is 2. And then we have 2 pi r. 2 times the radius. And you know what, folks? I actually need another parenthesis there. Sorry about that. There you go. I'll make the orange parentheses match. Well, 2 times 2 is 4 pi. 4 pi plus 2 pi is 6 pi. 6 times 3.14 gives me 18.84. Please be careful. Notice what it says right here. I'll change the color. Pi, use 3.14. Don't use your calculator, pi, because that'll go out to 9 digits. This is just go out to hundreds. Okay, folks? So if we had to paint this Charlie Chip can, you'd paint the top and you'd paint the bottom, and then you paint the outside. Well, the outside actually turns into a rectangle. Think about folding up a piece of paper and yelling through it. Kind of make your own megaphone. Yes, it's round here, but if you would cut it, slice it, and unfold it, and I have a picture for you. So here's the picture I found. Notice we have the top and the bottom, and there's my circumference times the height. So we have 2 circles, 2 times pi r squared. Pi r squared is the radius of the circle. And then we have a rectangle, length times width, and the circumference is 2 pi r, there it is, times the height. So when we look back at our problem, that's all you have to do. Please write it down, and I will give you the 2 problems that you're going to be doing. Look for it in the Google quiz, so there will be 2 attachments for today's lesson. One will be posted at 7 a.m. and the other one might be posted at 7 a.m. or 7:01 a.m. There you go, folks. You have a great day.